Okay, Sarah, Tampico Tower.
Hey,
We love spring, so we're going to throw spring a birthday party because it comes around every single year, right?
Yeah.
We wanted to throw a spring party and we were thinking about what we were going to do, and then the sponsors of this video, Tampico, reached out to us and said, hey, we have just rebranded. We have a brand new look, but irresistible as ever. Look at this. And guys, they are the original mix masters of fruit flavors. And so we're like, of course, we want that to be part of our party. And so we built a specific, I'm not even gonna say what it is. Stick around to see what we made.
So
it's the first of its kind ever for these drinks right here. And we're gonna blow out more candles than you've ever seen for one person's birthday party, ever. I'm so excited for you to see, as well as those who are showing up to the party, the Tampico Tower that I am building. So I ran to the hardware store and I got some wood, some lumber to build this thing so it can be big and really fun. And then I got some clear plastic tubing. Then I found some connections to go with that. Can you think of what it's going to look like yet?
Daddy, what about glitter?
Ooh, that one looks fun.
This one looks really good. I like this one.
Maybe not glitter. Maybe not this time. We're gonna get the flat colors like these ones. I also got some paint so that I can paint it afterwards. Some really cool colors. The same colors as the Tampico color. So then I brought all the parts home, and while Sarah was out gathering up supplies for the party, like the cupcakes and the decorating pieces, I put together this tower. I actually brought it into the kitchen and I put it together in the kitchen and made a mess while Sarah was away. I got it together and then I painted it, and it's ready to go to show you and to show them. I'm so excited. Just like this Tampico fruit flavored juice drink, I want to make this Tampico Tower as irresistible as ever.
I'm blowing up balloons.
Part of Tampico's rebrand is to show off their imaginatively curious personality. So behind this curtain is what we built to show that imaginatively curious personality off even more so.
Hey guys, thank you for coming for our spring party. Are you guys excited to have some fun? I am so glad. We're gonna play some fun games, we're gonna have some yummy food, and we're gonna reveal a super special surprise.
Welcome to the photo booth where you can just use props to take the picture.
Okay guys, you are gonna be throwing candies into the bucket. The person with the most candies in the bucket in 1 minute is the winner.
Yay!
You're probably wondering why we didn't do this party outside today. Well, it's been snowing outside today. It's like 30 degrees, so
It's a great
rain
winter
or,
spring party.
that's right, rain or shine, you still look forward to spring, right?
Okay, you guys, you are gonna take your candies and you're gonna make the tallest tower in 1 minute. You gotta try to make it so it doesn't fall over, okay? Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay. I love it. Good job, guys. Okay, now you can take turns eating your candies.
Go, go, go.
Good job, you guys take so good.
Okay, high five your partner. Oh yeah.
Okay, you guys ready? I'm gonna tell you something really cool. You ready? Did you guys know that the Earth is 4.5 billion years old?
Yes.
Did you know that this is a spring party?
Yes.
Did you know we're turning this into a spring birthday party?
Yes.
Why not have a birthday party for spring?
Yeah.
It happens every year, right?
Yeah.
So each one of these cupcakes represents or is 75 million years.
Oh, wow.
So all of these added up equal to be 4.5 billion. Do you guys want to help me blow these candles out?
Yeah!
Should we light these candles?
Yeah!
Whoa, this is cool.
Well, I have. Happy spring! Whoa!
Good job, you did it! Woo! Grab a cupcake and go downstairs. Ready, set, go!
Here, give me your candles, give me your candles.
Hey, can we have some juice?
Sarah, I think it's time.
You guys ready for juice?
I think it's time for the reveal to see what's behind that.
Okay.
I think it's time. Everybody downstairs, we'll call you up. Ready, set, go. Are you guys ready to see what's behind this? Whoa, who's thirsty? And who is ready for some juice drink? Okay, Sarah, Tampico Tower. So this one is apple punch. This one's mango punch. This one is citrus punch, and that one is tropical punch.
Here's something fun. If you live in Chicago, Miami, New Jersey, Los Angeles, Houston, or Dallas, and you see the Tampico Flavors of Fun truck, snap a photo, upload it to Facebook or Instagram with the hashtag Flavors of Fun to be entered in for a cool prize.
Did you guys have fun at the spring party?
Thanks for coming, guys. Bye.
He is out. Look, he dropped his sucker and everything.
Oh, cute baby.
Nap time. Have you ever been so tired that you fall asleep on the chair? Sitting like this? I think it's so cute.